What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be scrapping this A-frame ACR. As you can tell, there is a good amount of copper on them, a little bit of brass. All this is going to go as number 2. I might be able to get a little bit of number 1 out of this. 2 good size radiators. Very simple to take apart. We're going to take out the screws. Then we're going to cut down the sides to get this off, to get these cleaned, and that's about it. All right, so let's get this bad boy taken apart. First thing we're going to do, get these screws off the top, 1/4 inch. Get this off. Come over here to this side. One down here. Get this side off. Go ahead and cut this off. As you can see, that's a brass fitting right there. This could be number 1. This area is going to be number 2. That's also going to be number 1. Cut this one off. Good chunk of copper right here. Pull these off. Handy dandy sawzall. That wasn't right. All right, let's try that again. The other side. One clean ACR. Then repeat the process on the next one. I need a new blade. This one's just about done. to clean ACRs. All right, then I'm gonna take these in the back, get these all pulled off. These will go in as number 2. Same thing with these. Yeah, so you get a good amount of copper with these. Well, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. It's really easy. Whenever you see ACRs, clean them up because you get paid for the ACRs and you get paid for the copper. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.